In this video, I'll show you how to send Solana from OKX to Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Phantom Wallet account. Then you're going to go right over here and tap on Receive. And now we're going to tap on Solana. And this is your Solana address. We're just going to go right down here to the bottom and tap on these two squares to copy your Solana deposit address. Now we'll open up and log into our OKX account. If you don't already have an OKX account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you some limited time deposit bonuses. So after you've logged into your account, we're going to go right up here to the top left-hand corner and tap on this square icon. From here, we're going to tap on Withdraw under Manage Assets. We're going to go with the first option, which is Withdraw Crypto. And from here, you don't see Solana on this list. You're going to go up here to the search bar and just type in Solana. Tap on it. We're going to go with the option Exchanges or Wallets and tap on it. You'll get this pop up and it's just a reminder to only withdraw SOL via the Solana network. Slide to continue. And right here is where we're going to paste our Phantom Wallet deposit address. Right here is where we're going to enter the amount of Solana that we want to withdraw from OKX and deposit into our Phantom Wallet. The minimum amount is 0.004 SOL. And you'll see here that the network fee is 0.003 SOL. Even if we withdraw 10 SOL, the network fee is still going to be the same, so keep that in mind. Once you've made sure that everything is correct, we're just going to tap on the bottom button where it says Submit, approve the transaction on the next page, and you should receive your Solana in your Phantom Wallet within a few minutes. To check your balance on your Phantom Wallet, just open up the Phantom Wallet again, and the updated balance should show up right here. And that's how to send Solana from OKX to Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.